Hello guys, today we are planning to go to one of the most remote and breathtaking places in Kyrgyzstan, and this is a mountain lake, Kel-Suu. I'm going to take with me some of my devices. This is DJI Air 3, my new cinematic drone, and brand new DJI Avata 2. I have bought a new controller. We will try to use an FPV mode in order to take some breathtaking shots.
City lights that burn so bright, starry nights in countrysides we'll find all we need in this life.
Okay, we have arrived to the first location. This is our first stop, and we are planning to make a breakfast here. And we have eggs. Also, we have one of the famous thing here is kattama.
I've searched for gold and I've uncovered all kinds of treasure, but I'd take it all and I'd give it to somebody else, 'cause none of that means much. A little love would be enough.
We have friends with us. Tony Gassano, Azim To, and Abdilek. So we are a team. We're going to Naren City, and in Naren City we have two more cars to join us, and all together we go to Kel-Suu. We have two options to go. First, going by pass Kunde, which is more difficult because it's at winter time. Because of the snowing, the road can be closed. But another option is through the Torogard. So this is further from Kunde, but it is also a bit challenging. We'll see how can we get to Kel-Suu Lake.
I'm on my way back home, and I know on the other side of the great unknown, there's a place I'm welcome in, there's a place I know I'm called a friend, there's a place that I'm never alone, 'cause there's a place called home, a place called home. Oh, I've watched for miles and I've traded my time for adventure. Yeah, I've seen the world and I know what it's got to get. Yeah, I've had some fun, but I know where I came from. I'm on my way back home, and I know on the other side of the great unknown, there's a place I'm welcome in, there's a place I know I'm called a friend, there's a place that I'm never alone, 'cause there's a place called home, a place called home. Said I'm on my way back home.
We have successfully arrived to Naren City. So this is not big city, and it is located around mountains, and the air quality is so good comparatively with Bishkek city. today here we are going to have a lunch, and after lunch we meet with our friends, and 2 more cars are joining us, and today evening we have to arrive to Kel-Suu mountain lake. Unfortunately, Khandu Pass is closed right now because of weather condition. The heavy snow fell on this pass, but we have another option, Torogard, so we have to go from Torogard. Keep in touch. Так, книжечек. We have just finished our lunch in Cafe Kyrgyzstan, and it has turned out that recently they opened a hotel Kyrgyzstan, which is located nearby, and we had a chance to visit this hotel just to see what does it look like. My point of view is perfect. Decoration is good. It's very cold outside, but it's very warm. Comfortable orthopedic mattresses. Everything what you need to rest is here. If you like to visit this place, please come and see Kyrgyzstan Hotel. Nice. Decided to come to the local store in order to buy some food. So right now we are in a gas station, and this is our last stop in order to fuel up our cars. So this is our friend. He joined us in Narin City, and he's also filling up his tank with the gas, and then we are going to Kel-Suu. Maybe on the way we can stop in some more places, but we have no internet connection there. So the last destination is going to be Kel-Suu Lake. Just passed the border control, and now we have a short time to make a video shots. See what is a beautiful scene here. It is freezing cold here, so when you go outside your fingers get cold very quickly, so then you are not able to barehanded stay for a long time.
I might break down and cry from something you said. You tell me get over it, don't be sensitive. You want me there on your time, but I'll be there in 5. Yeah, you got a grip on me tight, but that's not my vibe. Think that you could change me, shape me, make me bulletproof, sway me, make me someone new, but baby, I'ma break it down for you. Yeah, no, you can't have me your way. Think I'm gonna stay the same. Over sentimental, little temperamental. Yeah, yeah. Think that you could change me, shape me, make me bulletproof, sway me, make me someone new, love me for me. And if you want, talk me down from a high.
are getting close to the border between China and Kyrgyzstan. We have to have the permission from the government, and we have to have the passport with us in order to go to Kel-Suu. On the left side, there is a lake, Chatterkul, and the Atbashi mountains. If you see, we have sunset behind, and I hope we will be arriving to Aksai Valley and Kokria Valley in about 2 or 3 hours. Keep in touch.
Someone new, believe for me, and if you want, I will.
Okay, finally we arrived to the camp, and it took around 12 hours drive from Bishkek to Kel-Suu camp. This camp is called Golden Moon. We are locating in Kokria Valley. Tomorrow morning we are planning to go to Kel-Suu Lake, and tomorrow morning maybe at 10 o'clock it will start, and up to 12 o'clock will be the festival. So we'll see what's going to happen. And right now, after unpacking of our stuff, we go to have a dinner. Rooms are very comfortable. Let me make a room tour. This is a long aisle, and it has the rooms on the both sides. And here is a hall. You can sit down here, have some talk, and let me show you the room, what the room look like. So this room for 2 people. This is where I will stay for this night. It's pretty warm. Wow. This is a restaurant where we are planning to have a dinner. So what's for dinner? The soup. Men harus biar nautrain aja kan rak. Wow. Today we have a soup with beef, I guess. So let's check it. Борщ. Борщ.
Суйпаринде пахнет сөздік.
Мен қарғаны үзіп соң. Good morning, everyone. Today is a big day. Today I am planning to make a big test to my brand new shoes from Kaila's store. Outside temperature was around minus 31, 32 Celsius. Right now it's around 20 to minus 22. Okay, let's start the day. Okay.
Grab your bag, pack your coat, walk on out through the door, to the street, to the highway. You and me will go explore by the sea. Read the stories from your book, tie the lines onto the hook, take a picture by the street, be the best friends we can be, you and me. It's gonna be a good day. All the people we could meet, all the beauty we could see, endless possibility, all the love we'll ever need, It's gonna be a good day. Chase our shadows down the bay, watch the seagulls fly away. Hope to see the Milky Way. Say I love you by the way, by the way. It's gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be a good day.
Finally, we arrived to Kel-Suu Lake, and we have so many cars here today, and the festival is about to start. It's 11:30, and we'll see what we have. Just take a look at this view. Oh my god, so beautiful. Okay, we were planning to go to cars, but fortunately our friend came with meal. We were so hungry, starving, and right now we have a lunch here on the lake. And after the lunch, maybe we go to the middle of the lake and then go back to the camp. Good luck. Camera. So now it's time to go home, and now we're gathering everything and we try to go back to the camp. Артём. You cannot imagine what just happened. My hands are shaking. Our friend Tony almost fell down to the cliff. It was road here, but unfortunately this road was not good enough, so we went this way. Oh my god, it was so scary. Maybe we stayed here for about 40 minutes. Oh my god. With the help of this friend, Artyom, and experienced driver Tony Gassana. We made it. We made it. God bless, we alive. Колесо, потом здесь уклон вниз, потом главное вот в уклон туда, да, не попасть. Здесь колесо вообще хорошо стоит, это колесо нормально пойдет. Вот это колесо самое главное. We just arrived from Kel-Suu Lake to the camp, and this camp is called Golden Moon Camp. And according to my opinion, and this camp has very high potential because the restaurant here and the living rooms, all the places are perfectly fine, and especially at the night time you have no issue with getting cold. So everything is very high level. So I think it's not, of course, 5-star hotel, but anyway, for this region, for this condition, this is more than enough. This is perfect. It's much better than tent, of course.
Жолыңыз басталды болса, аман сен жетіп ал нарынға, бияқтағы бізде қонақта болған қожайындарға берекет болсын, үйіне көрсін, үйінде өсе берсін, чоң өсін, көп туристер келіп, бияқ душ районды чоң өтсін, жарсын.
Фотографияларды Құрманжандыққа, Сулайман Тоо, ескі фотографияларды. Сіздерге де чоң рахмат.
We came from Naren city to Kel-Suu mountain lake from Atbashi, Çatırköl, Torugard. This way is longer. It is around 310 kilometers. But on the way back to Naren city, we decided to go from Kındı Pass, which is more dangerous, but it is shorter. The distance is 150 kilometers from Kel-Suu to Naren. But it was a wrong choice. We arrived to Kındı Pass around 11 p.m. but we stayed there up to 5 a.m. Hello guys, we have a situation. It's more than midnight and we decided to go by Kındı Pass, but unfortunately the road was closed here. But we decided to go because we slept from the camp. Unfortunately it happened to us, and right now we are struggling to pull out from the snow the cars. All of the cars stuck, and we hope we get back to the beginning of the pass. So we're going up back to the camp, and then from the campsite we go from the way where we came from. Unfortunately, sometimes it happens. This is an extra adventure for us for this trip. This is 3:30 night. So this is the car which stuck again. This car is waiting, and this car helped. Rescue car came. Super tired. The temperature is minus 20 degrees Celsius. Finally we accomplished the first bad place here, but the second one was even big. It was steep. Unfortunately, one of the car again stopped. It's 4 a.m. right now, and all of us very tired. It's unforgettable experience for us. Oh my god. Maybe next time we'll think some many times before we go from this pass at winter time. And you almost exhausted us. Luckily we have a rescue car with rescue team. 5 people came and joined us to help us to get out of here. What else? I feel like I'm climbing to the mountain. Not Everest maybe, but some other mountains, but it's very exhausted. And actually the altitude here is 3,400 meters above the sea level. So one thing is good, that the air is so fresh here. So you just go outside and fresh air. And what I love about this trip is that I have taken so many clothes. I took extra coat, I took extra trousers, I took extra gloves, and it helped so much. I don't even feel cold when I go outside, even if it's minus 26 Celsius. So anyway, I'm glad we have this experience. I'm very glad to have this experience. We got lucky, and now it's, even if it's 5 a.m, finally we out of that place, and I hope we'll reach the Narlis village by maybe 10 or 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Oh, we have another issue. It's 8 o'clock now, and we are going to Toruhat. So we're very getting close. This is how it looks like, how the sunrise looks like today.
Say you got to go, but you don't want to sleep alone. So we'll lay here side by side and drink our love as one. Oh darling, don't let this world turn you cold. Believe me, there's no fun in going home. And I know what I'm saying.
Yes, finally we arrived to Toruhat border control, and we are waiting for our friend who left behind. We were waiting for our friends from behind, but unfortunately we couldn't wait for them, and then we drive toward them, and it turned out that they also had some flat tire. Enough adventures for today.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it through. One step becoming two. 'Cause as long as we are breathing, there's reason for believing.
Hello guys again. So because we didn't sleep last night, we decided to take a nap in Naran City. So we arrived here around 1 o'clock. After the lunch we took a nap here. And after, now it's 6:13 p.m. and we planning to go back to Bishkek city. I hope we have good time and everything will be fine until Bishkek. See you. Bye bye.
There's nothing we can't do.